let's jump back. So if you want to learn this, then you have to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So you have to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do it right now. Again, and for it from this side. Also from this side. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you enjoyed this video.